Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how you can send large files on Discord without Nitro. And this does not only work for Discord, this also works for anything on the internet as well. So remember this trick, okay? So when you open up Discord and upload a file, I'm gonna pick my 500 megabyte file here. It will show me this pop-up saying that the file is too big. And the maximum file size is 10 megabytes. I mean, 10 megabytes. That's not even a picture nowadays. I mean, they're getting so greedy here at the Discord. And this was also 25 megabytes before, so they have lowered the limit more than half. So what you want to do instead is you fire up Google, you press transfer zip, and then you click on transfer.zip, the link, and you press pick files and pick your big file. And here it's important to make sure it's set to tab is closed, which is free. You don't even need an account, you don't need to verify your email or anything, you can just send the file, you know, and then get the link. Now you want to press copy here and then go over to Discord and send it to your friend. I'm gonna send it here, boom. And now my friend is not online, so I'm gonna show you how it works by just going to the link myself. Yeah, and now it's transferring the file. And this is actually very fast because the file is sent directly from device to device. So there is no server in between, there is no account, you don't need an email, it's just your two devices working together. And boom, that's amazing. But just remember that you need to keep the browser tab open at the same time, because as I said, there is no server in between, so it has to send directly. But if you want to create a link that's open for a while, you can just sign up for the free trial here, and you will be able to put the link up for a year if you want to. But you don't have to, you can just use the free version. Yeah, anyway, that's it, and thank you for watching.